guys. Naku guys. Malabas pa yung ano natin. Pinayos naman dito ang ano. May bahan nyo ako guys. So far so good. The weather is good. Hello everyone. How are you today guys? It's me again. It's Calabs Joanne you guys. Andito naman ako. Diyan, ano mga updates niyo dyan in the morning? How's your day? I hope everything is okay, no? And everyone is, ano guys, had already breakfast or coffee? Let's join and drink together. So far guys, ang update ko today, I feel a little busy guys kasi I will going out later guys after dito, no, kung matapos na ako sa lahat. So mag market time na naman ako guys kahit papano, no, kasi wala na, marami nang wala laman sa atin, ano guys, marami nang wala. So far so good, maganda naman ang weather. Yun ang tinda natin guys, empty na. So kailangan na talaga natin ding lumabas guys. Yun ang update natin guys sa ating ano, marami nang wala. So I hope na the weather is still good. Coffee time pa man tayo guys. So mamaya na. So I feel a little busy guys, basta. So yun lang ang update natin guys. It's coffee time pa natin, no? So thank you so much. Coffee, let's have coffee. Sabay na tayo. Let's have drink together. See you next again guys. I hope you have a nice day ahead. Bye! O diba, napawisan na ako guys. At the same time, I'm doing exercise na guys. Kahit ganito, walking. My exercise today is walking. So I think no TikTok workout for home. Home workout. Kasi naglakad na tayo guys. O diba? Mainit na. Guys. Ayan. I need payong. Ayan guys. I'm sweeping already guys. Nagtulog na yung singot ko guys. Ang mga pawis natin. It feels good. Naglakad tayo. Exercise. Good exercise ganitong oras guys. I think the time is already ano guys. Going to 3 PM na guys. Going ano na guys. Alas 3 na ata. Hapon na yung labas ko ngayon guys. So yun lang. Ang update natin. Ano ba talaga tong liston ko na ano na naman. So yun. Thank you so much. Marami